Welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's e-learning platform, subject English Grammar Standard 7. Today we are going to learn a new topic from grammar, direct and indirect speech. Now we will see what is the direct speech. Here, whatever the speaker has said is reported in the same way that he or she has said it. For example, he said, "It's cold." Ram said, "He is busy." Rohit said, "I am a superstar." Now we will see what is the indirect speech. Here, whatever the speaker has said is reported by a third person who is not part of conversation. For example, she said that it was cold. Second, Ram said that he was busy. Rohit said that he was a superstar. Now we are going to see the rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. First rule, when the reported verb is in a past tense in direct speech, the verbs in the indirect speech will be written in a corresponding past tense. For example, direct speech, Neha said it is time to leave. Now this sentence converted in indirect speech, Neha said that it was time to leave. Direct speech, Nikhil said I have passed the exam. This sentence converted in indirect speech, Nikhil said that he had passed the exam. Rule number second, the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged if the statement is still relevant to or is a universal truth. For example, direct speech, the teacher said all the children have become naughty. This sentence converted in indirect speech, the teacher said that all the children have become naughty. Direct speech, Ram told Shyam the sun sets in the west each evening. This sentence converted in indirect speech, Ram told Shyam that the sun sets in the west each evening. Rule number 3. When reported verb is in the present tense, the tense in the direct speech remain unchanged. For example, direct speech, he says I am unwell. In direct speech, he says that he will unwell. Direct speech, Shyam says he is a teacher. This sentence converted in indirect speech, Shyam says that he is a teacher. Rule number 4. The pronoun in the direct speech will change, such as the first person pronoun in direct speech will turn into a third person pronoun in indirect speech. For example, direct speech, he said I feel lazy. This sentence converted in indirect speech, he said that he felt lazy. Direct speech, she said I am busy. It's converted in indirect speech, she said that she was busy. Rule number 5. Words expressing nearness in terms of distance or time are changed into words expressing distance. For example, direct speech, he said to me, you should leave for home now. This sentence converted in indirect speech, he told me to leave for home then. Direct speech, Shyam gladly replied, I will cook for favorite dish today. In direct speech, Shyam gladly offered to cook my favorite dishes that day. In these sentences, we can see now, then, today, and that day is word expressing nearness in the term of the distance or time. So, it's converted or changed into words expressing distance. Rule number 6. This and these change to that and those unless these things are near when the speech is being reported. For examples, in direct speech, father said, I am glad to be home this evening. This sentence converted into indirect speech, father said that he was glad to be home. Thank you for staying with us.